One of the more common questions that I receive as a six-figure Etsy print-on-demand seller is, Emily, where and how do you market your Etsy shop? Well, spoiler alert, I actually don't. So welcome to this week's Coffee and Cha-Chings. Hi there, my name is Emily and I'm a top 1% Etsy print-on-demand seller and mom of two. And somehow found myself in this crazy world of entrepreneurship. Now I love helping others launch, grow, and scale their own Etsy print-on-demand shops without the stress and without the overwhelm. And today I want to talk about a topic that I actually love to talk about, which is how to market your Etsy shop. And as I shared at the top, one surprising thing that people are always shocked to hear is that I don't do any marketing to market my Etsy shop outside of Etsy. Now, that might be a little controversial. I know that there's probably a lot of gurus and coaches out there that recommend different platforms, and I am not against those. And I am going to share my favorite social media platform to use if you are going to market your Etsy shop at the end of this video. So let me take you back to the beginning. When I started my Etsy print on demand shop, my goal when starting this business was to really not have to do a ton of marketing. I didn't have any business experience. I had no social media experience besides scrolling on Reels. And to me, I didn't think that was going to be my area of expertise. One thing that I loved that really sold me on selling print on demand on Etsy was that I didn't have to drive my own traffic. There are millions of Etsy buyers naturally already coming to the platform. And so for me, I wanted to really capitalize on that traffic that was already coming there. And I am asked all the time by new sellers, should I start an Instagram account? Should I start promoting? What should I do to promote? And my answer is your time is best used, especially in those early days when you're trying to scale your shop, to research, to design, to list new high quality products, because marketing your shop is only going to work if you have validated your product ideas to begin with. So if you're out there spending time making Instagram posts or TikTok posts and you haven't made organic sales on Etsy consistently yet, then honestly, it's a bit of a waste of time. But if you get to the point where you are making very consistent sales in your Etsy shop and you're trying to scale to that next level, then that might be a time and an opportunity for you to use some different marketing strategies. Now, I'll be fully transparent. I have sold over $800,000 on Etsy in 3 years, and I have not marketed my shop outside of the platform at all. So it is not required by any means. I rely solely on researching for in demand products, creating designs that Etsy buyers want, but that are simple, focusing on these giftable products, and making sure my keywords are just words that Etsy buyers are typing into the search bar. All of that combined has allowed me to scale my shop. Now, what about ads? Because, of course, that's a marketing strategy. Ads are done within Etsy, and I run very, very minimal ads. And I do talk about that in a previous video that you can find here if you want to know more about my ads strategy. Now, when it comes to marketing outside of Etsy, again, not required. But if you're trying to scale and grow your shop, what is the one platform that I do recommend? And that is Pinterest. So I absolutely love Pinterest. And yes, Pinterest is still 100% relevant. What I like about Pinterest is that it's the long game. There are people who have pins from 1 or 2 years ago that are still driving tons of traffic to their shops, to their sales. And that's what I love about Pinterest is that it will continue to grow over time. Other social media platforms tend to be, a drop in the pan where it might be hot for a second, but then it's going to die off relatively quickly. Pinterest is a great place if you're trying to build a long-term sustainable shop. And if you're interested in more Pinterest strategies, I would love to know in the comments because I would be happy to do a video on how to market your shop on Pinterest if you're interested. Now, again, marketing outside of Etsy, in my opinion, is not a requirement. It might depend on what your goals are. My goal was to build a business that fit into my life and didn't run it. I wanted to build a business where I could really lean on the traffic that was already coming to that platform. So for me, being able to build an Etsy print on demand shop where the traffic is already there was key. So I am curious, does this surprise you that I haven't marketed my shop outside of Etsy? Or I would love to know, what are you doing to market your shop, if anything, that you enjoy doing or that's working for you? Go ahead and drop those in the comments. And also let me know if you have any questions, because I'll be sure to answer them in an upcoming Coffee and Cha-Chings. I'm Emily. I'll see you next time.